Okay, hello guys. Today let's talk about bronchiolitis and asthma. The methodologies of wheezing in infants caused by viral bronchiolitis and asthma. Definition: bronchiolitis commonly referred to acute episodes of obstructive lower airway disease caused by a viral infection in infants younger than 24 months age. Clinical resuscitation: 1. Fever and chills. 2. Coughing, clear green or yellow mucus. 3. Shortness of breath and wheezing. 4. Chest pain. Okay, asthma. Asthma is another important cause of wheezing in infants and children. Asthma is characterized by the presence of three airway opponents: 1. Inflammation, 2. Obstruction, and 3. Hyper responsiveness. Okay. Clinical resuscitation: 1. Shortness of breath, 2. Dry cough at night, 3. Wheezing, and 4. Chest pain. Asthma is reversible with bronchodilator. Okay.